Okay, I am here with Julie Cole, the original Veruca Salt, who we filmed earlier playing the new Wonka game. Now,
For the first time.
For the first time now. First, what did you think of the game?
It's cool. It's great fun. It's highly addictive as well. And I haven't seen all the features yet, so you've got to get lucky and hit all the right things to see it all happen. So I might be playing it quite a lot.
Now, were you surprised when you heard that they were making a game from the original movie? I mean, it's literally just released.
I was aware of some other collector's editions, Star Wars, but when we heard about this one, I was very excited.
All right, now it's been many years since the movie, obviously. I remember watching it when I was young, and does it surprise you that people will still come up to you and talk to you about it?
Well, it did, because it was released in 1971 and then it all went quiet and disappeared, and it was the advent of the internet, and that just changed everything. So we've got used to it now. We've got used to what we call the Wonka effect, but it's quite surprising, yeah.
Now, as a child doing a movie like this, you're working with a lot of adults, some very experienced actors like Jack Albertson, Gene Wilder, and so forth. A lot of us, like when I was 8 years old watching the movie, you look at it with wonder, but for you it was work. It's hard, very hard work, I imagine.
It was hard work, but as a kid you just take it all in your stride. I didn't think it was Mr. Wilder or Mr. Albertson. It was Gene and Jack. They hung out with us on the set. We were all a big happy family. But as a kid, you do take it all for granted almost.
Now it's been many years since. There's people lining up. People get excited. People are starting to come in. It's early here on Friday.
Pintastic.
Yep. Well, the fifth Pintastic that we've had here. This is actually the last one that's going to be in Sturbridge. Have you had a chance to fiddle with any of the other machines over here, or taken a look?
I haven't as yet. I've literally walked in, sat at my table, and then seen everything else. But it's quite noisy here. I think I'll probably have a headache by the end of the day. It's quite colourful.
Yep.
And
it'll be noisier when all the little kids get in. Believe me.
Yeah. What fun though! Everything in one room.
Well, 3 or 4. There's pinball after pinball.
It's a big convention.
Now, have you played pinball much at all in the past, or was it not?
My teens. I used to play it when I was a kid, at youth clubs. We used to play it then. One of my dear friends from school still has his own pinball machine from then, but I haven't played it since I was about 15.
Well, now you get a chance. Now you've had a chance. Hopefully you'll get a chance to play a lot more. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Take care.
Gotta go. Yep.